the law of versatility. The term jack of all trades refers to a person who is competent in many different skills or areas of knowledge. It is often used to describe someone who is versatile and can adapt to many different situations or tasks. The phrase is often used in a positive way, implying that the person is resourceful and able to handle a wide range of challenges. The phrase is actually used in the following form: jack of all trades, master of none. This means that the person is competent in many areas, but may not be an expert in any one particular field. What is the law of versatility? The law of versatility is an important principle to understand, and it applies in your personal and professional life. Being versatile can bring you many benefits, but it's important to find the right balance between versatility and specialization to achieve success. Why you should embrace being a jack of all trades. In an ever-changing, evolving world, being versatile and a jack of all trades can be an invaluable asset. The law of versatility is an idea that having multiple skills, talents, and experiences gives you an advantage over those who solely focus on one field or area. This law applies to all areas of life, whether it's in your career, relationships, hobby, or even life pursuits. By embracing the law of versatility, we can all cultivate a more diverse set of abilities and be better prepared for whatever life throws our way. The benefits of being versatile. The most obvious benefit of embracing the law of versatility is having multiple skill sets and mindsets at your disposal. This allows you to quickly adapt to changing circumstances and pivot when necessary. For example, if you have experience in different industries such as marketing and finances, you'll be able to leverage your knowledge in both fields when looking for a new job or starting your own company. The same goes for personal development. By being open to learning new things and trying out different activities or hobbies, you can develop multiple interests that create more opportunities for growth in many aspects of your life. Being versatile also helps you become a well-rounded person who can handle any situation with finesse and grace. Knowing how to navigate through different scenarios gives you an edge over those who only know one way to approach a problem or situation. This makes it easier to make sound decisions based on what is best for yourself as well as those around you. It's important to note that versatility gives us the ability to take risks without fear because we always have something else we can fall back on if things don't go as planned. How to become more versatile? Becoming more versatile starts with analyzing yourself and understanding what skill sets will be beneficial for your future goals and dreams. One great way to do this is by talking with others who have achieved success in similar fields or goals so that you can learn from their experiences and get ideas about what path could work best for you moving forward. Additionally, reading books related to topics that interest you is another great way to gain knowledge without needing direct guidance from someone else. Taking classes or workshops related to these topics could give you helpful insights into how certain industries work as well as applicable skill sets such as coding or design, which could come in handy down the road. Overall, embracing the law of versatility is essential if any of us want to stay ahead in today's ever-changing world while still achieving personal growth along the way. By developing multiple skill sets, mindsets, interests, and talents, we will be able to open up more opportunities for ourselves while gaining valuable experience that will help us grow both professionally and personally throughout our lives. So if any of us want to stay ahead of the curve, we should start by cultivating our versatility today. The benefits of being a jack of all trades. Greater adaptability. Being versatile allows you to adapt to changing circumstances and pivot when necessary. This is especially important in today's fast-paced world where change is constant. Increase employability. Having a diverse skill set makes you more attractive to potential employers, as you can bring a range of abilities to the table. This can also lead to greater job security, as you are not relying on one particular skill or area of expertise. Enhanced problem-solving skills. Being versatile allows you to approach problems from multiple angles and draw upon a variety of skills and knowledge to come up with creative solutions. Improve communication and collaboration. Being versatile allows you to better understand and relate to people from different backgrounds with different skills, which can lead to improved communication and collaboration with team settings. Personal growth and fulfillment. Pursuing versatility allows you to continually learn and try new things, which can lead to personal growth and greater sense of fulfillment. The Law of Versatility and Universal Laws. Being a jack of all trades aligns with the universal law of abundance, which states that there is more than enough opportunities and resources available to achieve our goals. By being versatile, we can take control of a greater range of opportunities and resources. It also aligns with the universal law of interconnectedness, as our diverse skill sets allows us to connect and interact with a wide range of people and circumstances. The Law of Versatility and Fundamental Principles. Being a jack of all trades embodies the principles of continuous learning, as it requires us to continuously acquire new skills and knowledge in order to maintain a diverse skill set. It also aligns with the principles of personal responsibility, as we are responsible for our own learning and development and must actively seek out opportunities to acquire new skills and knowledge. Being a jack of all trades aligns with the principles of authenticity, as it requires us to be true to ourselves and pursue our passions and interests rather than simply following a predetermined path. The law of versatility can be considered a universal law, as it applies to all people and circumstances. It is a fundamental principle that underlies success and well-being in all areas of life. Just as the law of gravity is a universal law that applies to all objects and affects their behavior, the law of versatility affects how we approach challenges and opportunities. By embracing the law of versatility and striving for balance between specialization and versatility, we can maximize our potential and create a fulfilling and successful life. Why you need to develop a jack of all trades attitude. Are you someone looking for an edge in life? The law of versatility may be just what you need. It's a mindset that encourages you to develop multiple skills rather than focusing on just one. Having this kind of versatility allows you to adapt to changing circumstances and pivot when situations call for it. Let's take a look at the power of versatility and how it can benefit your life. The benefits of being versatile. When you're versatile, it means that you have multiple skills that allow you to quickly adjust and respond when needed. This could mean learning new software or picking up new hobbies. Having a jack-of-all-trade attitude gives you options in terms of career opportunities and can help you stand out from the crowd. Additionally, having more skills makes it easier for employers to see how valuable your knowledge is across different areas, which can increase your chances for landing a job or promotion that you desire. Being versatile also means being open to try new things. This kind of open-mindedness can help you gain a perspective on different topics and even provide insights into areas that were once unfamiliar or uncomfortable. You never know where your interests may lead if you keep an open mind and don't limit yourself due to fear or lack of knowledge. Being versatile helps foster creativity as well as problem-solving abilities, two important traits needed in any professional environment. By having multiple skills, it allows for more innovative solutions and ideas which can lead to greater success, no matter your industry or field. The best way for all of us to develop our versatility is by keeping an eye out for new opportunities, whether through courses, books, podcasts, whatever fits your lifestyle best. With this kind of approach, not only would you become more knowledgeable, but also more confident in yourself as an individual with many talents. So don't be afraid to explore outside your comfort zone. The Law of Versatility is here to help. The Law of Versatility teaches us that having multiple skills in various fields not only opens up career opportunities, but also helps us become better problem solvers and creative thinkers. All valuable traits in an ever-changing world. So take advantage of this philosophy today. You won't regret it. How to make the most of changing circumstances. Life is full of peaks and valleys. It's an ebb and flow of different circumstances that constantly change and challenge us. That's why being versatile or a jack of all trades is so important. Being versatile allows you to adapt to changing circumstances and pivot when necessary. It helps you stay ahead in an ever-evolving world and create a life that is both flexible and successful. Let's explore what it means to be versatile and how you can use the law of versatility to your advantage. What does it mean to be versatile? Being versatile means having a wide range of skills, knowledge, and expertise that you can draw from during times of transition or uncertainty. Think about it like this. The more tools in your toolbox, the more equipped you are for whatever situation comes your way. For example, if one career path shuts down due to changes in the industry, having versatility allows you to use another skill set or knowledge base to quickly find a new job. In other words, you become less dependent on any one thing in order to survive, and instead take control by being prepared for whatever comes your way. The benefits of being versatile. There are countless benefits to being a jack of all trades. For example, having multiple skill sets make you more attractive as an employee because employers know they can hire someone who can do multiple jobs rather than just one specialized role. Additionally, having versatility gives you the freedom to pursue opportunities that may have not been previously available due to lack of experience or specific qualifications. Being versatile helps build confidence because it gives you a sense of control over your life choices. You know that no matter what happens, you have various options at your disposal. Putting the law of versatility into practice. So now that we understand why versatility is so important, let's talk about how we can make the most out of this law in our lives right now. It's important to recognize where your current skill set lies. Start by making a list of all the things that come easy to you or that others have identified as strengths in the past roles. For example, speaking publicly or troubleshooting technical issues. Once you have a list ready, then start finding ways to expand these areas with additional training or education. This could include taking classes online or shadowing someone at work who has expertise in an area outside of your current field. For example, learning marketing principles if currently working in finance. Please make sure to keep adding new skills as needed, no matter how small, to ensure that your toolbox stays full. At the end of the day, being versatile is key for leading a successful life. It provides us with a foundation for adapting quickly when changes occur without sacrificing our professional goals or personal dreams along the way. By recognizing our current skill sets and expanding them when possible, we are able to create options for ourselves no matter what circumstances arise, allowing us to take control over our future rather than letting external factors determine our destiny. How being versatile can help you succeed. Have you ever heard of the law of versatility? The law states that being versatile and a jack of all trades allows you to adapt to changing circumstances and pivot when necessary. In other words, having multiple skills and interests can open up more opportunities for success. If you're looking for ways to increase your chances of succeeding, embracing versatility is a great way to start. Let's find out why. Varied skill sets. Having a varied skill set means that you are not limited to just one area of activity. This means that if one avenue doesn't work out for you, you have other options available at your disposal. For example, if you're an entrepreneur who specializes in web development, but that particular industry experiences a downturn, having another skill like copywriting or graphic design can help cushion the blow. There is strength in numbers and variety. The more skill sets you have at your disposal, the better equipped you will be to tackle any challenge life throws your way. Flexibility. Being versatile also helps increase flexibility. As stated before, this means being able to change direction quickly when necessary. This could involve learning new skills or pivoting in an entirely different field altogether. The world is ever-changing, and having diverse talents allows you to stay ahead of the curve rather than get left behind by the competition. It also demonstrates creativity and resourcefulness, traits which employers greatly value in potential employers or business partners. Marketability. Having multiple talents makes you more marketable in a competitive job market or business world. Employers are always looking for people who can bring something special and unique to their company. Someone who can wear many hats and take various roles with ease and efficiency. Having versatility skills makes it easier for employers to trust that they're hiring someone reliable who can handle whatever comes their way without any issues. The law of versatility is a powerful tool for all of us looking for ways to succeed in life and career pursuits alike. Having a variety of skills makes it easier to adapt when circumstances change quickly, as well as increase your marketability when applying for jobs or starting businesses. Please embrace versatility today. You won't regret it. Achieving versatility for successful living. We live in a world of ever-changing circumstances, and if you want to be successful, you must be able to adapt quickly. The law of versatility states that being versatile and a jack of all trades allows you to adapt to changing circumstances and pivot when necessary. This law should not be taken lightly. It is essential for achieving success in today's fast-paced environment. Let's take a final closer look at how the law of versatility can help all of us find success in our daily lives. The benefits of being versatile. Being versatile means having the ability to move between different skills, tasks, or activities with ease. It can also include having an open mind and being willing to try new things without fear or failure. Having this type of versatility can make all the difference when it comes to succeeding in today's rapidly changing world. Here's some more key benefits of being versatile. Increase opportunity. Being versatile can open up many doors for inspiring professionals, as employers are often looking for people who have a wide range of skills and knowledge. Employers recognize that individuals who are versatile will be able to handle multiple tasks better than those who specialize in just one particular area. Improve problem solving. Having the ability to approach problems from different angles is invaluable for problem solving skills. When faced with difficult situations, being able to think outside of the box can give you an edge over your peers who may only have experience with one specific set of solutions or strategies. Better adaptability. The world is constantly changing, so it's important that we learn how to quickly adjust our strategies and approaches accordingly. Those who are more versatile are better equipped to handle changes because they have experience dealing with multiple scenarios and know how best to respond in any given situation. All should take advantage of the law of versatility if we hope to succeed in life. By embracing versatility and learning how to use it effectively, we can increase our opportunities, improve our problem-solving abilities, and be better adapt for any event life throws our way. I'm Leroy Glover, and I thank you.